Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be super fun. It's a little bit different from what I normally post, but it is going to be full of cleaning motivation. I really didn't have anything planned to film for this week, but I was at work and I had a little bit of extra time during my lunch break and I thought, you know what? I'm going to clean up this office. I do work in a steel plant company type thing, and we've just got nasty dirt and just film all over the entire office. So I thought that I would just go ahead and take this opportunity, take a few minutes and get it all cleaned up and nice, and just bring you guys along, give you something just a little bit different to watch today. I hope you really enjoy it. I really had a lot of fun putting it together, but let's jump right on in.
I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine. Ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So as I mentioned earlier, I do work in a sheet metal plant, and like I said, we just have all of this dirt and dust all over the place all the time. And now that it's really nice out, we've got the AC running and it's just blowing the stuff everywhere. So I do like to try to get things wiped down as much as I can, but I do honestly get a little bit busy and I'm not able to do as much as I want to. But like I said, since I had a little bit of time, I wanted to go ahead and get everything wiped down. So I started here in the office. I just needed to get my desk and also all of the printers, faxes, these little filing cabinets as well. And I know that it probably still looks dirty with all of the scuff marks on it, but I promise you I wiped off about 2 inches of nastiness off of these things. And then I also went over to my little coffee area, got that all wiped down. That was disgusting, and I don't know how I've let it go that long being that dirty, but I went ahead and got that wiped down too. And after I finish off here in the office, I'm gonna go and work on the little kitchenette that we have up in the office too.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious.
So I really hope that you guys are enjoying the little switch up in the video today. I certainly did enjoy putting it together. I had a lot of fun, and I think I probably need to start doing this just a little bit more, just a little bit of change of scenery. So here in the little kitchenette, now we also have a huge cafeteria type lunchroom, and if you guys did not see, I went and cleaned out all of the refrigerators and microwaves in there when I first started working here. It was nasty and disgusting. I'm going to put that video up in the little cards when it pops up, that little black box up in the top right hand screen. Just click on it and it will take you right to that video. It was nasty. So I will include that if you guys missed it and would like to see it. But this is just the little one that we have up in the front office here. So what I like to do is get all of the dirty rags and towels, go ahead and take this home and wash them. And here I've just got some new microfiber cloths and some Lysol with hot water, and I'm just going to get everything wiped down. And at this point right here, one of my bosses came in and put something in the microwave, and I was like, did you just put that cup in front of my camera? And he was like, oh, sorry. So he moved it. And then you'll see me kind of like look around really weirdly, because as I was doing this, a lady just walked behind me, and I looked at her and I was like, hello, because we don't have anybody that just walks into our office. Like, I have to let you in, like the door's locked. I don't know how she got in, but she did. And she's like, oh, I'm just going to go use the bathroom. I'm like, okay. And there's like a massive sign on our front door that says no public restrooms, but I'm not going to tell the lady she can't go to the bathroom, right? So she walks in, she comes back out, and she looks at me. She goes, do you have toilet seat covers? I was like, no. And then my boss was across the hall in his office, and he looked at me. He was dying laughing because he knows stuff like that just kind of creeps me out. And I was like, why? Why? Why does this happen to me all the time? Anyway, so she got to use the restroom and left. But I went ahead and got all of this stuff finished up. We have these coffee crafts that I try to get out there as early as I possibly can. We have 2 of them, and I get them out there for the guys so that they can have coffee in the mornings. But it's early, y'all. It's early. I do my best just to get there at 7 in the morning, and making coffee for 85 people is the last thing on my mind. Now, I do it, but it might not be ready as soon as they want it. So I try to get that stuff cleaned up and ready for the next day. I also went ahead and wiped down the back of the wall. This wall right here was disgusting. And also there's a wall right behind the trash can right there as well. You'll see, I just wiped down as much as I could. Like, that wall behind the trash can, that's going to take like a good afternoon on a weekend for me to come and clean. I was just not about that life right then and there. Like, see, that's just gross. And I wiped off what I could, but I got some, but we'll have to come back another day and get that cleaned. If you guys are interested in me doing like a really deep clean throughout the office, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely come back and do that for you. But the last thing that I went ahead and did was cleaned out my bird feeder and got that all loaded up and took it right back out for them. And they were super, super appreciative of it because it was empty. Plus, it had rained really bad, and there was just like everything that was even left in it got washed out. So I got all of that loaded up in there, took it out to the birds, and they were happy as can be. Now, I have shared this on my Instagram story some, like when I do have birds that come and visit me, and I will have this linked in my Amazon store. It is like probably the best $20 I've ever spent. I get so much entertainment out of this. Just go down into my description box, click on my Amazon link, and it will be in there under my favorites. Grab you one, and you will have loads of fun for the rest of the summer. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a quick one, and I apologize, but I'm going to have a really, really good one for you guys coming up. So make sure you're subscribed with your notification bell on. That way you get notified when that video comes out. But I'm going to go ahead and go for now. I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.